Partech Forest, the cut-to-length people, the recognized leaders in the manufacture of tough, dependable cut-to-length equipment for loggers throughout North America. Now, 911C technology is manufactured here in North America. In the world of logging, there has never been a more efficient, more powerful, or more versatile harvesting system than the Valmet 911C single grip harvester. The 911 combines the most advanced technologies from around the world with our proven North American components. More than just environmentally friendly, cut-to-length harvesting provides economic benefits and many other intangibles to contractors, landowners, and mills. Cut-to-length is tailor-made for issues influencing our industry today, like diminishing labor pools, high insurance premiums, fuel, repair and part costs, and increasing environmental pressures, making this safer, cleaner, more self-sufficient approach to logging very efficient and highly profitable. The Valmet 911 minimizes the potential for downtime by giving you the durability, reliability, and the muscle your operation demands. Every major component, from the rigid frame and cast bogie wheels to the articulated center section, is manufactured for high production harvesting under punishing conditions. The 911's unique modular construction and component coordinated design ensure quick, easy service and reduce costly downtime. Centrally located hydraulic components and accessible engine checkpoints provide fast serviceability for filters, fluid checks, and fill-ups. The 911 features a Cummins 6 BTA 5.9-liter after-cooled turbo diesel, producing 169 horsepower at 2,100 RPM and 476 foot-pounds of torque at 1,500 RPM. This dependable North American-built engine offers a perfect balance of fuel efficiency and power, delivering plenty of punch to the hydraulic system. For sure-footed control and precision driving on steep inclines, declines, or over almost any obstacle, the Valmet 911's transmission is monitored by Digital Transmission Control, or DTC. DTC is Valmet's innovative solution for ideal hydrostatic control. With DTC, the hydrostatic components and engine are regulated by a computer. DTC automatically adjusts gear ratios to provide the best economies and avoid the dangerous slingshot effect typical of conventional hydrostatic transmissions. DTC guarantees smooth braking or instant acceleration with zero slip and minimum ground disturbance, even under the most difficult circumstances. With the 911, operator comfort and machine stability go hand in hand with an oscillating rear axle and self-leveling cab. This proven concept hydraulically links the cab tilt platform with the rear axle. This feature automatically levels the cab, limiting the need to make manual adjustments. Combined with the action of the front bogies, the rear axle gives the 911 the smoothest ride in the industry. The benefits are evident in less stress to the machine's frame and components, and the operator can work longer, more productive hours with less fatigue. The 911's comfortable and safe cab is FOPS, ROPS, OPS, and WCB approved. Its ergonomic design includes thoughtfully placed controls and provides excellent visibility in all directions, even overhead. The 911's ability to harvest with speed, power, and control are maximized by its Cranab 1400 telescopic boom. Perfectly positioned on the harvester, the 1400 is one of the largest and strongest available, delivering high power lifting, slewing, and retrieval force throughout its 30-foot range. The motion of the 1400 is smooth and quick, allowing operators to reach into tight spots without causing damage to the residual stand. The three basic control functions of the telescopic boom are easy to learn, saving on head positioning time and making harvesting with the 911 very efficient. Fitted with the Valmet 960 Series 2 intelligent harvesting head, the 911 delivers impressive harvesting results on stems up to 23 inches in diameter. Its simple, rugged component-built design features a cam curve feed roller suspension system for a tight grip and adjustable, precisely positioned spring-action delimbing knives. Together, this combination gives a high net feeding force and yields excellent delimbing results. Combine the head components with the VMM 1000, Valmet's precision measurement, data storage and retrieval system to gain the highest possible yield from each tree. VMM is easily programmed to record and sort trees by species, length, and diameter class, coordinating the needs of the mill with the harvesting site. VMM can be programmed to predetermined settings or adjusted by your operator to meet up-to-the-minute mill requirements. The optional VMM 1100 provides volume measuring information. Harvesting data can be stored, and detailed printouts monitor operator performance along with volume of harvest and species, providing accurate scaling to the contractor, landowner, and mills. Valmet's VMM system of accountability and just-in-time harvesting is ideal for today's changing market conditions. With VMM, you also get valuable information for troubleshooting the machine, simplifying preventative maintenance for the harvester operator. The world's best technology, along with exceptional parts, service, and ongoing technical support, make up the fast, strong, and environmentally friendly Valmet 911. If you're interested in maximizing productivity, minimizing damage to the forest, and lowering the overall cost of your operation, contact your Valmet dealer today about the Valmet 911 Single Grip Harvester. Or come to the Partech Forest and visit the Cut to Length people.